Come on. This chick is out over here snorting. Come on, babe. You can do it.
Oh.
Come on. Come on, babe. Come on now.
Wait, I had it. Wait.
Not a mad doggy. Well, just act like you're, just do the whole, act like you're, people doing
I
that.
can't do that.
Okay, so act like you're drowning.
I don't know what that feels.
That's what you use. You use that part. It's like a fucked up motorcycle in the distance. Over here, over here. Come on, babe. All right, so at least say, want some candy?
Wait, I'm gonna get this.
Hook us up with the brand deal, by the way, Pepsi. Turn that around, babe. Turn that around. There we go. Hook us up with the brand deal. You gotta relax it. You gotta relax the uvula. All right, we're gonna continue to work on this, folks.
You want some candy?
There we go. Want some candy?
Want some candy?